Hello, welcome back to the Statistics Bio 7. In today's video, episode 12, we will learn how to perform rank correlation in MedCalc software using a biomedical dataset. The rank correlation is used when you want to measure the strength and direction of monotonic relationship between the two variables. Unlike the Pearson correlations, does not assume the normality and works perfectly with non-parametric or ordinal data. In MedCalc software, we have the two main methods for the rank correlation. First one for the Spearman's row and second one for the Kendall tube. Now I have added the dataset for the 25 patient ID and pain source for the 0 to 10 and recovery days. Now analyzed for the rank correlation in MedCalc software. So go to the top menu, select the statistics and go to the correlation and select the third one for the rank correlations. Then open the new tab for the rank correlations. The first one for the variable y and variable x and filter options on left side. Select the dependent variable, the recovery days in variable y and the variable x. Selected for the independent variable pain score, the data selected in variable x and the filter options, the optional only. Example, we add to the experimental for the three different groups, the control treatment A and treatment B, only the filter options used for the grouping comparisons. Only the analyzed for the control patient data only, or treatment A or treatment B only analyzed in the filter options used. The next one, the right side for the correlation coefficients, the two method, the Spearman row and the Kendall tube. The Spearman rank, the correlation coefficients, measure the strength and direction of monotonic relationship between x and y. Suitable for the continuous or ordinal data without assuming normal distributions. And another one for the Kendall tube, the correlation coefficients also measure the strength of monotonic relationship between based on concoordinate and discoordinate pairs, often more robust with a small sample size or thick rank. Selected for the Spearman rank. And next one for the advanced options, click to the advanced option button and open the new one tab for the rank correlation, bootstrap options for the Kendall tube. The value for the bootstrap replications in 500. Enter the number of bootstraps sample, example the 500. The bootstrapping is used to calculate more reliable confidence interval by resampling your data multiple times. A number of higher, like 1002 or 5000 improves the accuracy but take long to compute. And another one for the random number seed, 978. A seed value, example for 978. Ensure that the random sampling for the bootstrapping can be reproduced exactly the latter. If you want the reproducible results, keep the same seats. If you want the different randomized each time, change to or leave blank. So click to the cancel button, then click to the OK button. Now the calculate for the rank correlations in Spearman correlations. So the variable for the Spearman correlations of rank correlations row value 0.994 and sample size 25. The significance level p less than 0.0001. The 95% of confidence interval for row 0.987 to 0.998. Then additional one options for the in rank correlation Spearman row correlation coefficients, draw a scatter diagram. Then click to the scatter diagram link, then open the new tab for the scatter diagram options in the rank correlations. The first one for already used to the variable y, the recovery days, and variable x, the pain source 0 to 10, and the filter optional only. And the right side of the options, the logarithmic transformations y and x. They apply a log transformations to the x-axis data or y-axis data to handle the seeked distributions in our data. The same purpose of the logarithmic transformation y and x. And line of equality. A draw of reference line the slab 1 throughout the origin. Useful when you comparing the two measurement of exciting to be equal. And the heat map options. Added to the density overlay showing where the data point are concentrated. The dark area measure the high density. And subgroups. Then optional for the group for the control and group A and group T, the only optional. And trend line, the show the trend line, the moving average trends line, the plot a smoothed line based on the average of neighboring point, specifically the n example for the 5, and slope sometimes the slope smoothing the span percentage the 80. And the next one for the reduced major axis line, useful when the method comparing the studies, it minimizes the both x and y deviations. And last one for the isotonic regression curve, the draw a non-decreasing the curve fit the data. So click to the OK button, draw a scatter diagram in the rank correlations. Then the x-axis for the pain score and y-axis for the recovery days. This is a scatter plot method create to the rank correlations. If any doubt for the analyzing the rank correlation and draw a scatter diagram in rank correlation MedCalc software, leave me comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. And if you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me. Join to our channel membership. Our donation link available for this video description box. Thank you for watching this video.